Hey there everyone, Jason DePaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and in this video I just want you to stop overthinking the small stuff. But before I go on with this video, if you're watching this on YouTube, please go and hit the subscribe button now. I would like to get some more subscribers to my YouTube account because I'm going to put some more videos on here in the next couple of months and years. Also, I'm going to put a link onto my Instagram account. If you can, please follow me on that. I'll put a lot more content on Instagram that I don't put on YouTube. So if you can follow me on that, it'd be most appreciated. So what do I mean about stop overthinking the small stuff? So I want you to sort of focus on the big picture, okay? I don't want you to focus on the small stuff. Like, one pizza won't make you fat, okay? One salad won't make you lean, okay? Stuff like this. One missed workout won't ruin your progress, okay? So I want you to sort of get the mindset of stop overthinking the small stuff and think of the big picture, okay? Think long-term consistency, and then you'll be able to reach your goals, okay? So what I mean, so it's, you know, if you're in a calorie deficit and like if you come to me and I'll work out your calories and you sort of should have 15 or 20% lower than you should, going out in an evening and having one pizza isn't really going to do much, okay? You don't have to worry about that too much, okay? One pizza, you know, I'll go by this 80-20% rule. The 20%, if you want a pizza during the week, that's okay, okay? So also, one salad, or it's not going to start making you lean. And also, not, you know, don't think about all salads is going to make you lean. You've got to have a balanced diet as well, you know, and have nutritious food. This is the 80-20. 80% nutritious food, good fats, protein, carbs, all right, in a good sort of ratio and stuff like that. And then you can have the 20% where you can have anything you want within reason. So, and then again, one missed workout is not going to ruin your progress. So if you finish work and you just don't want to go to the gym one day and follow a routine, it's okay, okay? You've got another 6 days in the week or 5 days in the week, whatever, to make it up, okay? So you don't have to think, think about overthinking the small stuff. Think long term, okay? Think, you know, if you want to get stronger over a period of time, don't think of these quick fixes of 8 weeks, 6 weeks, these challenges and transformations. Think the long term, think 6 months, think a year, even think 2 years, 4 years. You know, you got to think, you got to get that into your mindset, and you got to think patience as well, because the patience is gonna be better for you in the long run. You're going to feel stronger, you're going to feel leaner, you're going to feel much more healthier, your skin's going to be much more better in the long run, okay? So think that, so think consistency, stop overthinking the small stuff, think the long-term goals, and you'll be just fine. Okay, so there we go. So I'm Jason DePaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. If you can, please like and share this video, hit the subscribe button, also get me on Instagram, be most appreciated, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.